Hello and welcome to Colleen's Not So Exotic Kitchen, where we have plenty of shortcuts to cooking. Feel free to subscribe if you like this video. Tonight our Mexican cuisine is burritos. Oh yeah. One of the good things about these burritos, we don't have to get any pots or pans dirty. 1 minute and 10 seconds in the microwave. Perfect. We have to wrap our burritos in a paper towel loosely. Here's a not so exotic kitchen tip. If you're doing more than just the one recommended burrito on the package, you may need to put it in the microwave for longer than is listed on the package. So we'll just put it in for the 110, see how it goes, and then we might need to put it in again for a few more minutes. So a great appetizer to have when you're having Mexican cuisine is some good tortilla chips and some guac. So I'm just gonna get the guac ready now. All right, here we go. Getting the guac together. Welcome. I like chips and guac because the tortilla chips add that extra zest of salt to like kind of bland guacamole. Oh my gosh, these smell so good. Just so you guys know, I did flip them for the second 110. Good. Enjoy! Bean and beef. Delicious. Let's see how this goes. Spicy.